Alrighty boys, we're on our way to Lock City. It's the 30th of October and we're gonna go do some skids in the good old Miata. We got Tyler in the driver's seat. We've got about 40 miles left on this stretch. It's 6:42 a.m. I'll update you when we get there, boys.
Right here?
Yeah, it's right fucking here.
It's okay, we got it. I'm a professional. I knew that was calculated. Calculated. Let's go.
To the decimal point. Alrighty, so I'm just chilling in the car right now. Tyler just headed out to go get his car tech inspected. Hopefully it passes first try. We've been going over it for a few weeks, so hopefully it's all set. But fingers crossed he comes back with a pass, you know? Alright, so Tyler just got back from tech inspection. He passed, except for a little bit of a loose battery, so he's just grabbing the tools to tighten that up right now. And then we're just gonna wait around until it's driver's meeting time, and then skid time.
Hell.
So what do you think about the Cressida and the 240?
They're fucking sick.
Yeah?
I'm just stoked to be here, honestly.
What's your favorite thing about this one?
The tint.
The tint. You like the pink tint with the pink wheels and the pink headlights? It's definitely got a sick vibe going on.
I didn't even realize that it was a state police kind of thing going on.
Yeah, no, I think they did, the both of them did Super Troopers.
That's funny.
For the last night's costume thing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no, I really dig the 240 on the Watanabe's.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Got the wraps going on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, on the Cressida back there. Yeah, no, it's Cressidaville over here.
Rainy. It's going in my face. Am I good?
So that was Tyler's first lap at his first drift event.
Woo! Shit!
How do you feel?
I feel really good. I feel like I can kind of anticipate when I'm going to spin out, so that's kind of the first step to linking it. The second lap around, I felt like I hit that big corner, the sweeping one, pretty good. So maybe I'll try to hit that one and then the transition next.
So, just got back from the first few laps. Checking it out, making sure it's all good. Yes, sir. Looking good.
Nothing broken?
Nothing's broken? Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look what I did in the boat. When the boy knows, I go give me a bag at the boat. I did not troll. I got plenty deep diamonds of gold. There was nothing I say so. It's gonna be like when I say go. Hey, what you gonna do for a bankroll?
So Tyler just did that lap. Best one so far.
Fucking, yeah, it felt pretty good. I almost linked it, and I fucking floored it coming around the hairpin. It was doing great, you know, I kept flooring it, and I caught air a couple times there, like bouncing, you know?
Yeah, dude, so hard my visor went down. But hey, we're still back at it, back in the tech, or the line for the skid pad.
Yeah.
So we'll get some more clips when we get out there.
Yes, sir. I don't want to hit him.
Tyler just got off the track. He's been doing great. I don't think I got the full lap on that last one, but I'll put in what I got. But now novice class is over, so we're just gonna go eat some lunch and enjoy the skids. All right, so we just ate some food, hanging out now, waiting another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna head over back to the skid pad and get some more laps in. All right, so just got done riding with Tyler. Me, Sean, and Jared, we're gonna go watch for a little bit while Zach gets some rides, and I'll get some outside footage of the car for you guys. And here we go. Alrighty, so Tyler's been doing some laps, got some good ones in, just went back to the pits. Jared's in the car now. Yeah, I'll get some more clips of him ripping it, dudes. The track is a puddle.
Yeah.
Dude, you were hitting that big corner so good.
God damn it.
So we just got done with Tyler's last lap. Hold on a second. Jesus Christ. So yeah, we just got done with Tyler's last lap. You just saw it. He finally hit that last corner and hit it. It was perfect.
Fucking loved
Perfect
it.
way to end the day.
Ruined it by putting my hand out the window, but it was still worth it. It was very good. I can confidently say next time I come, I can link that track.
So yeah, we'll probably be out here in 2 weeks doing this again, but we'll see, you know. All right, so we just got packed up. Miata is on the trailer, loaded up, strapped down. She ain't going nowhere.
No.
Now Tyler's just making a sandwich, and we're gonna hit the road in the good old Sequoia.
Hit the road, heck.
We are both thoroughly soaked head to toe in fucking water because it's rainy day, boys.
Got a knife for the mayo too.
You forgot?
Yeah.
I told you last night, grab a knife for the mayo. You go, oh, I have a knife.
Oh, I didn't. Well, when you say just grab a knife, I thought you just mean a regular knife, and I have like a pocket knife.
That works for mayo.
No, it does not.
Slather it on.
Made that knife's been places.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more drifting content, and yeah, we'll see you later. Tyler, you got anything to say?
I had a blast, and I really want this sandwich. Peace, boys.